Welcome to Lanzarote. In this video, you'll join me on a walking adventure through epic beaches, hidden gems, and unforgettable landscapes across the island. Shot entirely on my GoPro, this is as real as it gets. The beaches, the small towns, the places I visited, the food, and the people. I loved it all. Lanzarote has such a great, uplifting energy overall. Here's a quick look at some of the spots I explored. Then we'll jump right into the first location. Alright, time to start exploring. First up, Caleton Blanco. This place blew me away. Getting to Caleton Blanco is super easy. There's a spacious parking area just a few steps from the beach. The road winds through volcanic landscapes, and suddenly, the ocean opens up right in front of you. No long hikes, just park, step out, and you're in paradise. Caleton Blanco is one of the most unique beaches on Lanzarote. Surrounded by volcanic rock and filled with white sand and shallow turquoise water, it looks like a natural lagoon sculpted by fire and ocean. The wind is almost constant here, making it feel fresh even when the sun is blazing. The water stays crystal clear and shallow for a long stretch, which makes it perfect for swimming, wading, or just floating around. The contrast between the black lava and the bright sand is surreal. It's one of those places that feels untouched, wild, and peaceful all at once. Even though it's easy to reach, it never feels crowded. Just you, the breeze, and the Atlantic. Next, I stopped at Playa de la Canteria, one of the wildest and most remote beaches on the island. It is located just north of Orzola, beneath dramatic cliffs and facing the open Atlantic Ocean. When I arrived, the wind was really strong, and the waves were crashing hard. Because of the rough weather, I couldn't fully capture the beauty of the beach, but even then, you can feel how raw and powerful this place is. Playa de la Canteria is known for its golden sand, steep cliff backdrop, and big waves. It's popular with surfers and with people looking to experience the wild side of Lanzarote. Swimming is not always safe here, but for walking, taking in the view, and feeling the ocean air, it's definitely worth visiting. Now, let's check out Teguise, a super charming little town full of art, food, and good vibes. Teguise is one of the oldest towns in Lanzarote, and it has a completely different vibe compared to the beaches or volcanic areas. The streets are full of history, art, and energy. This place is full of creative spirit. Everywhere you go, you'll find cool little shops, art studios, handmade souvenirs, and cozy restaurants. It's definitely one of the most charming and walkable towns on the island. One spot I absolutely loved was Scheherazade Moral's art gallery, a beautiful studio filled with colorful, expressive artwork. If you're into art or just want to get inspired, it's a must-see. Whether you're here for lunch, shopping, or just wandering around, Teguise has this unique, laid-back energy that makes you want to stay longer. While walking through Teguise, I found this amazing little shop, Artisan & Co. by Stephanie Frisell. It's full of beautiful handmade goods, illustrations, and one-of-a-kind pieces. One thing I absolutely loved here were the cup coasters, each one with its own quirky and artistic animal design. They're super creative and would make perfect souvenirs or gifts. If you're into local art and unique finds, this place is definitely worth a visit. Next up is Playa Famara, wild, wide-open beach on the northwest coast of Lanzarote. This place is all about nature in its rawest form. The elements hit hard here: strong wind, powerful waves, blazing sun, and sand blowing in every direction. The beach stretches endlessly, and everything feels huge: the sky, the ocean, and especially the massive cliff towering above it all. It's a favorite spot for surfers and kiteboarders, but even if you're not into water sports, the energy here is unreal. You feel small in a good way. It's wild, it's raw, it's pure Lanzarote. Next stop, Costa Teguise, a quiet and beautiful coastal town located on the eastern side of Lanzarote. It is a great place to relax, walk by the ocean, and enjoy the peaceful local vibe. The streets are clean, the buildings are nice, and everything feels calm and well organized. There are many small restaurants, bars, and cafes here. You can try local Canarian food, fresh seafood, or just have a good coffee with the sea view. The area is not too busy with tourists, so it is easy to enjoy your time without noise or crowds. Costa Teguise is a good mix of nature, comfort, and local charm. If you are looking for a peaceful place to spend your day by the sea, this town is a great choice. One of the main highlights here is Playa del Jablillo, a small beach protected by natural volcanic rocks. The water here is incredibly clear, almost like glass. It is shallow near the shore, safe, and perfect for both beginners and experienced swimmers. Playa del Jablillo is also a popular spot for snorkeling and diving. The calm conditions and the rocky areas create a perfect home for colorful fish and sea life. You can swim next to the rocks and see everything up close. It feels like being in an open aquarium. Even just floating in the water and watching the sea bottom is an amazing and relaxing experience. This beach is small, but it has a special charm and is one of the cleanest and most enjoyable places in Costa Teguise. Next up is Mirador Charco Los Clicos, one of the most unique and surreal places on Lanzarote. It is a viewpoint that looks over the famous Green Lagoon, also known as El Golfo. This bright green lake sits right next to the ocean, separated by a black sand beach and surrounded by dramatic volcanic cliffs. The green color of the water comes from natural algae, and it stands out strongly against the black sand and the deep blue sea. The view is something truly unusual, like from another planet. This spot is a great place to take photos, watch the waves crash on the rocks, and just take in the wild beauty of nature. The next stop is Los Hervideros, a famous natural spot on the western coast of Lanzarote. It is known for its wild volcanic coastline and the huge waves that usually crash hard against the rocks. People often come here just to watch the ocean explode into white foam as it hits the cliffs. But when I arrived, the sea was completely calm, no big waves at all. It was quiet and peaceful, which was a bit unexpected. Still, the views were amazing. Next up is Playa Blanca, a beautiful and modern town located on the southern coast of Lanzarote. It is one of the most popular places on the island, and for good reason. The whole area looks super clean and well designed, with the calm and relaxed atmosphere. One of the main beaches here is Playa Dorada, a wide sandy beach with soft golden sand and clear blue water. It is perfect for swimming, relaxing, or just laying in the sun. The beach is protected from big waves, so the water is usually calm and safe. Right next to the beach there's an area called Lazel, which has a bunch of modern and stylish restaurants and cafes. It's a great spot to sit down, grab something to eat or drink, and enjoy the view. The vibe here is fresh and new, but still very chill. If you keep walking further, you'll get to Marina Rubicon, a beautiful marina full of boats, small shops, markets, and more restaurants. It's one of the best places to walk around in the evening. The whole area feels high-end, but not too touristy. You can enjoy the sunset, take photos, or just relax near the water with a drink in your hand. Last stop, Playa Papagayo. This beach is often called one of the most beautiful places on the island, and once you get there, you instantly see why. It is located inside a natural park, far from the busy towns and roads. You have to drive down a long dusty path, but the views at the end are totally worth it. The beach is small and hidden between rocky cliffs, with golden sand and bright turquoise water. There are no big buildings or noisy bars around, just nature, ocean, sun, and rocks. The silence and colors are amazing, especially during golden hour. You can sit on the cliffs, watch the waves, or walk along the nearby paths to see more of the coastline. That's it for this trip. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the ride. See you next time.